If you want to achieve things, don't let other people sit you down, because what you want to achieve has nothing to do with them. It's what you want to do in life and what you want to achieve. It doesn't matter in size and height and weight. It's all about the heart and the mind. So you can achieve anything that you believe you can. Because everybody's telling me I'm too small. Am I gonna make it further in my sport? And my father just told me that I mustn't worry what people tells me, because they don't have much impact in my life. But it's what I wanna do and what I wanna achieve. So I just set those things and aspects behind me and just focus on the road forward. Yeah, I guess the biggest dream is to become a Springbok.
And that ball's been dislodged in contact to Toy, and Colby up against the tight forward at first. Then Farrell, Jensen, Colby, that is it, South Africa, that is it. Lugano, Lugano, Bonzano, Michiel Jogazano, Michiel Jogazano, Nicoduka, Kevin Puglia, winner, Ikonwaki, the little man with the magic feet, dances his way through England's defense.
Het maar baie tap gewees, boys. As jy die koerant opmaak, hoor jy Cheslin is 'n dwergie, Cheslin is klein en almal die goed, maar Cheslin se woorde was altyd aan my. Dada, Springbok gaan na boord. So, sorry.
Well, Cheslin Colby, remember, has run it on one ankle, couldn't go last week in the semi-final, can go in the final. Cheslin Colby is top shelf.